How you doing? This is Mike, Innovative Door. I'm going to show you a 3/4 horse Logic 5 Liftmaster with the big beefy chain. And we just put this one in. We took down an ancient artifact. Let me just show you real fast what was up there. Something like that with these sprockets above the machine. Look at this thing. But it still works. Still works. But anyways, that one, the old one, had some issues, and UL doesn't allow us to repair those because they have no safety equipment. Here we go. We put in the new Liftmaster. This one here does have the safety beams, new wall station. It's got the arm where you can release it to work the door manually. There's the other photo beam. And that's it. This is a 20 by 12. There's 3 of them here. We got 2 down, 1 to go. It's a pretty nice opener. These are not made for super heavy use, but they are made to go up, about 8 to probably 15 times a day. These are not made for hundreds and hundreds of times a week. So there it is, the Logic 5 3/4 horse door opener from Liftmaster. For all your door needs, call Innovative Door 630-271-9343, www.innovativedoor.com. Like us on Facebook, and we'd like you check the link for further description and details. And as always, I encourage everybody to praise the Lord. Thanks for watching our video.